Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to look at how to install WordPress on our Micromedia server. So I'm going to open up a terminal on the Mac, which gives me SSH access, but of course you can use other software if you're on a PC. So first thing I need to do is make the connection to the web server using SSH. So I'm going to type in SSH, which is the command, followed by web 1S001, which is my student user number, so to speak. Obviously, you'll use your own student number. Enter in the password, and you can see here now we're logged into the server using SSH. If I do ls for list, you can see it shows me the files and folders that I have on that server, including Web1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a directory called Web2, if you haven't already made that. And by doing ls, we can see that it has indeed been created. And then I'm going to change the directory to go into Web2. And you can see it downloads very quickly. Next thing I need to do is to unpack or unzip that file. And now if I do ls and cd WordPress, now we can see in my WordPress folder that I've got all the files and folders from WordPress. Now just to clean things up a little bit, as well the zip file that I downloaded. So now that we've got this set up, we can try by navigating to where we've installed our WordPress. So Micromedia Web /home /web1, so my student number / the class /WordPress. And you can see it's asking us to connect WordPress to our database. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and go to Web2 and browse the remote. And we're going to go into WordPress. And we're looking for the WP config sample, and we're going to download that. Now what we need to do is we need to enter in our database name here. The username is the same as the database name, so it'll be WP and your student number, and then the password. Save that, and then we need to rename it, getting rid of sample. And then if we upload that and come back here and go back to our WordPress folder, now you can see WordPress has been installed, and we just have to enter in some information about our site. So we can put your name, or the site title, I mean, and after that we can put your username, so your student number, whatever you want, and we can put a password, and you should put your email. I'm going to say discourage search engines from indexing this site because it's just a sandbox, a playground, where we can try out some things. We don't really want it to be people to be finding it using search. And if I click install WordPress, you can see that we're logged in. Or that you can see that we can log in, and then now we're logged into WordPress. And to see the actual blog, we can click on that. And I like to have both the blog and the dashboard open, making it easier to make changes and things like that. There's still a couple more things that we have to do, though. You'll notice if I go to Media and I try to upload a file, you can see it gives me an error. So what I need to do for this is go back to my WordPress install, or go back to Sublime Text and browse to the WP Contents folder. And I'm going to change the mode from 775 to 777. And hopefully you can see we're now able to upload photos into that folder. So there you have it. We downloaded WordPress. We updated, we created a database. We linked the database to WordPress, and then we changed the file permissions in order that we can upload files directly through WordPress. I hope this helps.